Yes, hello everyone. Today I'm gonna explain to you how to write the chapter 2 of a research paper. It's all about related or review of related literature. So there are five outline of chapter 2. First is the introduction. The second is review of related literature, review of related studies, foreign or local, theoretical or conceptual framework if required, and then the synthesis. So that was the steps of how to write chapter 2 of a research paper. For today's video, I'm gonna explain and show to you an example about how to write chapter 2 of a research paper. Chapter 2 of a research paper is usually the review of related literature or review of related studies. Its main purpose is to provide background, connect your study to existing knowledge, and show the research gap that your study will address. So, here's a step by step guide for making chapter 2 of a research paper. Steps in writing chapter 2. So, first, start with an introduction. So, briefly restate your research topic or problem and then explain the purpose of this chapter to review existing knowledge, theories, and studies that related to your research. Like, for example, this chapter presents the review of related literature and studies, which provides the foundation of the present research. It includes both local and foreign studies relevant to the investigation. Second, organize the literature. You can organize the review in different ways. First is thematic or topical. Group studies by themes or topics related to your variables. Second, chronological. So arrange sources from oldest to newest to show development. And the third one is conceptual or theoretical. So it was based on a framework or theories related to your study. The third steps is present related literature. So, summarize books, journals, articles, and credible sources related to your topic. Highlight key ideas, findings, and conclusions. And then use synthesis writing like connect ideas. Don't just copy or summarize. Like, for example, I will show you the example of present related literature. The fourth ways of writing a chapter 2 is present related studies. Discuss previous research like local and foreign that is related to your study. Point out similarities and differences with your research. Like, for example, so this one, I'm going to show you an example. In a study conducted in the Philippines, so De La Cruz in 2019 revealed that students who use a learning platforms demonstrate better time management. So this supports the findings of Johnson 2018 in the US, who noted similar outcomes among college learners. The fifth one is discuss the theoretical or conceptual framework if required. So in these ways, in these steps, explain theories that serve as the foundation of your study, present a diagram or model to show relationship among variables. The last one is the synthesis. So you have to summarize what the reviewed literature and study says, identify the gaps, inconsistencies, or unexplored areas, and then connect these gaps to your research problem. Like, for example, while many studies highlight the positive effects of digital learning, few focus on its impact on rural high school students. So this gap provides the rationale for the present study. In my video presentation is the example of introduction plus the review of related literature based on my personal experience. It's all about parental involvement, a mother's role in supporting a kindergarten child's learning. So the introduction is focuses on the experiences of mothers in supporting their kindergarten children, highlighting how parental involvement affects a child's school readiness, academic performance, and emotional well-being. So by understanding the role of mothers in this context is significant because it provides insights into how simple but consistent parental efforts can shape a child's early educational journey. So I will share to you on tips for writing of a chapter 2 of a research paper. So you have to use paraphrasing instead of copy pasting, and then follow proper citation style like APA, MLA, like for example Chicago, etc. And then write in a formal academic tone. Avoid too many direct quotes. Use your own words to synthesize, and then ensure sources are credible and updated. So that was the tips of writing chapter 2 of a research paper. Thank you.